Hello people. Today we're going to see how people work out during the quarantine. Today we're going to meet with my Aunt Paulette and my nephew ZW. Let's see what they're up to today.
Hello?
How you doing today?
Good.
I want to see how you guys were working out. How do you guys work out during this quarantine?
We do our workout on the sidewalk and we work out inside.
Alright, hold on, let's go inside.
What?
It's called the Firm.
So we got the Firm, we have VHS. Those who have VHS still popping. The Firm. What you use is a mat. You got some steps. You got some dumbbells. Let's see a bit of it. Weights, steps. Oh, this is pretty cool.
Again, heel lift. Punch through the front, nice and controlled. Baby lifter. Hold your left heel down.
I've just been picking up a lot of weeds, picking them out, and planting new flowers. The cold killed a lot, so I have to replace a lot. And a lot of that is a good workout because I could tell because my body's a little sore at the end of the day. And I just take a hot bath and all the soreness will go away.
Show me one of the things you do for your workout.
So we hop on one foot, we do like a hopscotch thing, and then like,
Hopscotch.
like
Who made that?
me and my Auntie Todd that she fired me for some reason. And then we have like a loop-de-loop track thing.
Alright, show me the hopscotch.
Okay.
Alright, let me see. How does it work?
So, 1 foot, 2
Oh. Zigzag. And then 1 foot. And off away. Apparently there's more stuff. Oh, a twirly.
heel toe.
Heel toe.
5 jumps.
5 jumps.
Claps.
5 claps.
Run.
Run. Wow. Go. We're trying it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is in, out, in, out, in, out. Then I gotta go zigzag, 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 zigzag. What do you do here?
1 foot hop.
1 foot, 1 foot, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Doing great.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. What is this?
Do you have to spin around at this
Spin
point?
around.
Follow the line.
Spin around.
Go that way.
Whew.
That way. Spin around. Heel toe.
Squats.
Squat.
Squats. 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 Squats.
Heel toe.
Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 claps.
5 claps. And then
Run.
run. Woo! Ah! And then we walk. This is a good thing to do, walking. Especially when the sun's out, you get that nice vitamin D and sun exposure. Especially when you're inside most of the time. Get at least 15 minutes outside, if not more. How long is it usually?
I mapped it out. It's a mile out and a mile back.
Oh, so 2 miles.
when I have Mari, though, I have to make it just one.
And is that park closed over there?
Yeah.
They have a sign out there, yeah, no parks. So we got to keep it to the sidewalks. And then we walk.